guys. We will make what's this? Cake or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate cake with chocolate cake with awesome toppings with a donut, my favorite. Here's our ingredients. We have nips. We have nips with white chocolate, and we have a Yahoo with chocolate biscuit. And we have a 4 Milk, and then it's chocolate powder. Go. And we have Doughy Donut and tablilla. 2 tablilla and 1 donut.
Okay.
And we have cream sticks. 4 cream sticks. And we have tissue. Mini tissue. In case we have dirty. And let's start this thing. We have 4 spoons. I want to pick this one. I want to pick this one. Then we're gonna open it. I'm gonna cut this so back.
Okay, we're back again, so we will start it.
I'm licking a spoon. Okay.
Let's pull it in.
For all you don't know, this is not a poo. This is a donut topping. Ang buhat. Nagkat na ba yan?
Okay.
This is a yummy donut.
And with toppings, of course.
It is a chocolate biscuit. It's the toppings. And next is
this.
Okay. I will gonna put a little then. Go. And this is the icing.
Okay.
Now, look at our creation of that. That looks like a poo. Sorry.
Okay, we are finished.
Put it. Oh my god. It's floating down. Oh my god, it looks like a boat.
Basta nakalahi ang akong kutsara. Wait, stop. Nakakayaho. Masabong sa cake.
Oh my god, super yummy.
Mo nagbalas.
Look like our
Look
like a volcano. This is Hanahan Park, our new backup since Kim and Sayan May don't know how to English, but Hanahan Park know how to English. Bravo. Then,
Okay. Hi guys. We back. So the second is picnic.
get started.
Okay. Give me the 2.
Give me one.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, I'm gonna place the
Look at me. What can I
I don't wanna put it, so I just wanna hold it. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Tama na. That's enough.
Hi guys, we're back.
We are back. That's enough na harit ka na lang na. Si Chibuan. Ulat lang dira.
Yeah, give me.
Ulak. Wherever you want.
Next. Okay.
Dugmo ka. Yan na dayon.
Look at that. And I'm gonna say, this girl is eating. Can I have one? Can I put two in that?
Dako man kay Nico. Kurabi ako na dako kaayog ko.
Pag, mata na ako kay nagtulog.
Di, ako na lagi.
Kuya, ay mo panguha ha. Payas ko yung ginin. Mamulihoy.
Ako na mudaan ng kuan. Pati straw, ako na yung straw.
Nice go.
Ako kay buslot do. Kinsi nagbuslot ani? Ikaw. Hala. Uy. Ano naman pala? Uy. Dala ata ba? Isa may pagkahimo rito.
Kuya, I mean yun.
Ako na nabi.
Kuya, yun yung ratang donut.
Ha?
Ayun yung ratang donut.
Ito nga man ang donut.
Yeah!
Si Virgia kay kapabidli na. Hanggang lang. Picture sa dining niyo ha.
Pwede na ako pag-picture. Ikat.
Tunga mo. Tumo na. Nagairit. Naghila ko yun. Harit. Buhilak. Ay ba ako? Uy! Yay, kay ka sa bata. Uy, kutsara ni mo, day. Ano na dayon ka?
Uy, mana natin kaon na?
Flat lang, ato sa ning panglabay. Sabi ba eh?
Look.
Lok. Nagkakaloka ka talaga, mais ka. Pagkuha, kuan ver, ay ako na lang di. Kulat sa mo, uy, di mo.
Butang na ako sa taas, oh.
Kanila, arsaha sana ninyo.
Mau ba?
Dapat wala. Arsaha sana ninyo. Arsaha sana ninyo. Alam ko sa kumpuan. That's so very, very funny. Oh my god!
Cute little kids. Heart. I love you, subscriber.
Oh,
No.
Oh my god! She's married!
No.
What? Why? The
delicious. Thank you. Cutie. Mahal kita. Mahal kita means I love you. I love Red Monster. I love me and Jolly Hoy. Hi guys, let's pray. Lap lang hawla. Hi guys. Come on, let's eat. This is wait. So, kanya na lang. Tao na lang sa bulis. Sinay na yung yari mo kay ka makakaon na. Sorry.
Ihahatid ko na lahat pakinggan. So makinig ang lahat, ako'y pakipakinggan. Kwentong gusto ko na paminsan-minsan. Dumidok ang lahat, walang aalis-alis. Ang kwento ko, babaeng nagbububorlis. Araw-gabi sa gimikan, palinis-linis. Sa taon na palang nagtititiis. Kaya ngayon siya'y nagbababawin. Taga-Sydney na pa, uwi-uwi. Sino ba ang lalaking di magagalit sa kanyang na di naaari? Australia, malinaw kung sinasabi. Kasi araw-gabi akong minamate. Sa Pier 1, siya ay patingin-tingin sa iced tea na aking sisip-sipin. Sabay hawak sa tako na big bilyarin. 9-ball, sinargo, pine-playball. Puwet niya ay inilagay sa table. Sabay yung asing tapat, tuwad-tuwad. Para bang hotdog na paliyad-liyad. Kaya tuloy sa aking pinapantalon. May isang bagay na tatalon-talon. Hold up, wait a minute, eto na, binubusan. Pusila. Pinakita niya sa akin ang kanyang palaka at nang hiniko, sinlambot ng mamon. Palaka niya'y mabango at amoy sabon. Well, natutunan ko noon sa may Malabon. Pag pinulbuhan yon, kikinis yon. Bumulusok ang kanyang testosterone. Titirahin ko to kahit pa may miron. So, kanyang palaka, mainit ang dating. Sinampal-sampal ko para to magising. Well, what the heck? Walang ipik-ipik, pink na palaka, aking dinayset.
I love you, Papa. I